Expanding to Amazon Belgium is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'll show you a pro tip on what countries to expand to first. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my mission is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're gonna log into Amazon Seller Central. You're gonna make sure you're a professional seller and you're logged in as your admin account on Amazon Seller Central. Once you're done those two, you're simply going to go to Inventory and the Sell Globally tab. And now we're trying to expand to Belgium. And where's Belgium? In Europe. So you're going to try to expand to Europe. You're going to click Create a European Selling Account. Make sure this is checked, just like it is on my screen, and click Register Now. All you're going to have to do is just register. Make sure you have your passport, bank account statement, credit card, and just make sure that your statements, your bank accounts, everything on there, it matches the name on your passport. So if your passport is Josh Hackett, then my bank account statement is also going to be Josh Hackett, credit card statement. Just make sure everything matches and you're going to get approved very quickly. Right when you're approved, it's going to have this nice little green check next to it, Europe checked, and look at that, we are approved for Belgium. And not only Belgium, but we're approved for a lot of other countries as well, like Poland, Ireland, Sweden, Netherlands, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, and the UK. So tons of areas to expand to. And then Amazon keeps adding more countries. So this is great for European sellers. Okay, so the next step is you're going to actually go to Belgium. So now that you're approved, you're going to do the drop down and then find Belgium and then go into the Belgium area. Make sure you get your VAT number so Amazon can help you get your VAT and help you with taxes. All you have to do is just go to the search bar and then type in VAT. Once you type in VAT, you should see Manage Your VAT and File Your VAT, and it can see if your VAT is approved or help you view and approve and file your VAT. The VAT is super important, so that way if you're shipping from, let's say, the USA to Amazon Belgium, they're going to be asking for your VAT number just to track everything, right? So make sure you get that. Once you're done that, you're going to make sure that your bank account, your credit card, all of your settings are updated. So just go into your account info, make sure your credit card's in there and your bank account. You can use your US credit card, your US bank account. Amazon automatically converts the funds and then sends it to your US bank account. So not a big deal. Just make sure they're all set up and good to go in your account info section. After that, you're going to go to Manage Inventory. And my recommendation, if there's listings that are somehow already in here, like this, you can delete them, right? So if there's listings already in here, I recommend deleting them because it causes errors and then recreate them from scratch. This is only if you go to Belgium and somehow listings are already there, right? Delete them, and then you're gonna recreate them with the same ASIN and the same SKU as your Amazon USA listings. So if your Amazon USA listings have 1,000 reviews, make sure you put the same ASIN as your Amazon USA listing and your same SKU, and those reviews are going to transfer over to your Belgium listings. And as you know, reviews are amazing at increasing your sales, so make sure you keep your reviews. Do it right the first time. Once you're done with this, make sure that you convert all of your items to FBA. So make sure change the fulfilled by Amazon, and it's going to look from you can change the inventory. It's going to say, instead of FBM, it'll say FBA. So make sure all of your listings are converted to FBA. Next, I need you to understand what an EORI number is. So an EORI number might be needed to ship items from the USA to Amazon Belgium. So yes, you need your VAT number, we talked about that, but you might need an EORI number. I would not get your EORI number yet, but just understand what it is. And the reason why I wouldn't get your EORI number yet is because we're gonna be utilizing a service like UPS. And UPS is definitely gonna be asking for your VAT, right, when you try to create the shipping label. But usually they have their own EORI number, so they won't need yours. So just triple check with UPS just to make sure before you send your shipment, because I don't want you to get something you don't need, right? So now we're going to be utilizing UPS and ship from Amazon USA to Amazon Belgium. What you're going to do is go back to manage your inventory, and then we're going to go to send or replenish inventory. You're going to send it, you're going to say you're from the USA, you're shipping inventory to Amazon Belgium. Amazon's going to give you a Belgium address to ship the inventory, right? So they're going to give you a label. It's not a shipping label, it's only an Amazon label, and it's going to tell you where to ship the units. You put that on the outside of your shipping box, okay? Then you go to ups.com, you're going to click, create a label. You're going to put that Amazon Belgium address in as the shipping address, and then UPS is going to give you a shipping label. So on your shipping box, you have an Amazon label and you have a shipping label. Give it to UPS, boom, it arrives in Amazon Belgium. Amazon gets it, they scan their Amazon label, and they're like, oh, it's you. They understand what account it's connected to, what ASIN it's connected to, and they check in your inventory. It'll say inbound, and then once it's officially there, it'll say that it's fully available for Amazon FBA. Then it's time to start selling, converting your listings into the different languages that they need to be in, and go from there and start selling. Now, since you made it towards the end of the video, I'm giving you a pro tip on what countries you should be expanding to first. And my recommendation is to expand to the English-speaking countries first. So USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and Singapore, which all speak English, right? If you expand to these countries first, it's going to be much easier, because if you expand to, let's say, Italy first or Germany first, you have to worry about translation. So translation, all of your titles, your bullet points, your descriptions, and also getting a graphic designer to change all of your images. Even your videos have to be changed if you have any videos on your listings, and that's going to take a lot of extra time and effort. So might as well expand to the English-speaking countries first, because that's going to be much easier. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what country you'll be expanding to first on Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help increasing your sales, anything mentioned in this video, or help selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend more time working on your business instead of working in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end. Save time, money, and increase your sales on Amazon with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.